Hey, Hammy here. Just want to talk a little bit about how do we identify the wildflowers after you have taken pictures of them. This is all within that Google slideshow that I will share with you. But you'll notice that there's a link up here to the old instructions handout that I used to use when we were actually collecting specimens and flattening them and drying them out. So that has a lot of good information, what poison ivy looks like and how to avoid that. As far as identifying then in class, I've got a bunch of, I tried to put some pictures here of some of the field guides that I have that we can use in class. I also put a bunch of links over here to websites that we have found over the last couple years that are good for identifying your flowers. So a lot of them are specific to Ohio. There is a kind of a plants database. If you're not sure, you can look up there. So you could, and if you find any good websites, please share them with me. And this Google slide I'll try to continually update with new websites and stuff like that as we find them. Okay, next we want to take a look at, once we identify our flower, how do we organize our data slides for each flower? Okay, so I have shared with you this Google Slides set here, and with a bunch of blank templates. Okay, you're going to put the common name of the flower at the top, and I'll show you an example here in a second. We want to put a picture or two of the flowers over here under this, kind of fit them in there. We would also like more of kind of a zoomed out view of the flower over here, so we can kind of see the full plant. Down here we might want to have more of a zoomed in view of the leaves, because sometimes the leaves will give us a good idea. Some flowers look very similar, but if we have a picture of the leaves, we can get a better idea of it. We'll give it a specimen number. You can give them any number you want. I would just recommend, going 1 through 15. The family name gets put in all caps. You're going to again put the common name down here. This is what in a herbarium, when they press the plants and they have those pages of plants, in the bottom right hand corner, and that's why I put it here on the right on purpose, there's always the label. And so this is a little bit of a simplified label. It'll tell you the common name, the genus and species, or the scientific name, where it was collected, the full name of the full date of the collection, when you obtained that flower, in this case when you took the picture, and your full name. So first name, middle initial, and last name. Okay, here's an example of one that I've kind of put together just with some pictures off of the internet of just a common dandelion. So I got pictures of the flower, the full plant, some of the leaves, more of the green foliage of the plant, and here I filled out sort of the name with the family name, common name, scientific name, where I took the picture, the date I took it, and then my full name. So you have 15 blank slides that you can fill out. I'll have more how to put in your pictures here later on in the video.